Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wanted to make your photos move? I'll show you how to animate cutouts in Canva. First, click Create, select Videos, choose Landscape Video, then go to Elements. Search for animals and find a photo. Next, add the animal image to your project. Press Ctrl D to duplicate this twice, including the selected elements. We will turn this into a touch image from the background and then duplicate it. Place the elephant on the first page and enlarge the image in that area. Double-click the first image and move it up, then click Done. Repeat for the next image. Next, enlarge this image by dragging it down and pulling it up. Then detach the last image and adjust it by pulling it in the same direction. Double-click the first image, then click Done. Double-click the second image, drag it up, and click Done. Detach the third image and move it to the desired position. Double-click the image to select it. Then, use the background removal tool to eliminate the background and match the desired effect. This process allows you to cleanly isolate the subject from the background. Click Done. Next, tap the image to enlarge it in this area. Then remove the background. Delete the final image, then double-click it to proceed. Open it, tap Done, then play the preview to watch. Add a transition, adjust the move effect, set the maximum duration, then apply the changes to the timeline. Navigate through the scenes, select the desired one, and click Preview to watch it. This tutorial shows how to use cutout animation in Canva. First, select all elements and set the duration to 2.5 seconds by typing it in the duration box and pressing Enter. Then, select the specific element you want to adjust and change its duration the same way. This method lets you easily control the timing of your animations. Manually drag the file into the Areas folder, then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Play the preview to check the faster speed. When finished, click Share to download your video. Improve quality settings before clicking Download button. You learned how to create photo cutout animations in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.